Salita sa talisi, ano, ang ating area commander.
Para may kasama ka doon.
Everybody, can you come here?
Okay, let's start the program. Hello Knights.
Kasi padala ko sa Supremo yan.
Everybody. So let's.
Sige, ako ang girl.
Sige. Ganun tayo.
Ako naman girl.
So yun lang ba? Your speech?
Yes. Sige. Okay.
Okay. Anyway.
Come on, sir.
Anyway, thank you fellow Knights for being here. Unfortunately, our guests are not around. So we will just make do with whatever we have. First, a short speech, of course, as your area commander. In behalf of the regional commanders not here, Sir Frank Crawford, I want to welcome everybody to this momentous event that we're marking 128th death anniversary. In martyrdom.
Please unbutton your uniform so that we see
sorry.
that we are in uniform here. We are not coloros.
Nice, yes.
Okay.
That's okay. Unbutton. Just don't take off because it's too cold. So just like that.
We'll make it fast.
Okay.
So we are in the call.
Pakita mo na lang. Para hindi kayo.
Isa na, mahaba ng speech na
Okay, so anyway, it's a for event, so welcome here, and then we are so glad that we can commemorate this event, even though the weather is not cooperating. But anyway, thank you very much for everything, and we just want to convey our message of hope that we, through the teachings of our national heroes, Sir Rizal, that on this day he was martyred in Bagumbayan on December 30, 1896. So with this, we will start the commemoration by the wreath laying ceremony. So that's all I can say. And let's start the wreath laying ceremony.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
Doon ka sa harap din.
Sige.
Okay, sunod na kayo lahat.
Sunod.
Execute the Knights of Rizal, salute. Ready, go. Video.
Show your uniform so that we can do the
Nakita lang yung mga ano.
Tama na, kasi may ilan sa
Pero makita yung... Kasi ipadala ko sa Manila ngayon yun. Mag-respond sa
JP Rizal.
Okay.
Mahal ang bayan natin.
3.
Salud. Mahal ang bayan na ano.
1, 2, 3, salute.
Salud.
Huwag mo huwag kayo.
Okay, wala na.
Okay. Kasama kayo.
Oh, ikaw na. Wala kaming news.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bakit? Kasama ka naman.
Ding, pakitapos si ano.
Yeah. Kasama ka sa
Ikaw naman, Jane. Huwag ka naalis si Jane naman. Jane, ikaw na.
Paano to?
Kaya mo na sabihin mga may-ari niyan. Okay.
Papasok ko sa inyo lahat. Good.
Minus 5.
Thank you.